Easiest $60 per hour. Guide for beginners to make money online in 2024. Stick around and I'll walk you through a simple, lazy $65 per hour system for making money online, tailor-made for beginners worldwide. Best part? No need to break the bank and you can set it all up in less than 10 minutes. Let's jump right in. Open up docs.google.com and fire up a blank Google document. Don't sweat your writing skills. It's all about copy and paste for now. I'm here to guide you through every step. To make this student-friendly money-making system work, you'll want a way to collect your earnings globally. Check out Wise.com for a hassle-free, beginner-friendly option. Sign up for a free account. Just toss in your email, create a password, and you're good to roll. Another option is PayPal. Not as cool as it used to be, but it gets the job done. Swing by PayPal.com. Sign up for a business account and make sure your country's on the list. Now, grab your phone and get TapMob, a sweet CPA marketplace app. Score $5 to $6 for collecting emails. No sales pitch needed, just folks entering emails for a shot at winning. Browse the offers, snag links to at least 5 different giveaways, Cash App goodies, gift cards, the whole shebang. Drop these links into your Google Docs so you won't lose track. To rake in those dollars, you'll need a website. Good news? Canva's got your back. Head to canva.com, pick a website template, and go wild with customization. Spruce up the first page, toss in images of the giveaways you're flaunting, and tweak the text to your liking. Most importantly, pop your referral links into the website. That's the secret sauce for making money when people jump on those giveaways. Hit publish and start spreading the word. One lazy method? Mewed.com, a social media hub with millions of monthly visitors. Join groups, shout about your giveaways, and watch the signups roll in. Quora.com's another ace spot. Answer giveaway-related questions and toss your website link into the mix. Double down by creating 2 Quora accounts for extra visibility. Now, here's the moment of truth. What if you've given it your all, followed every step, but things aren't shaping up as expected? What if the magic isn't happening? Don't fret, we've got your back. Join me in the second part of this video as we troubleshoot and explore possible roadblocks. Branded Surveys, a top-notch market research company, is where it's at. While online surveys won't make you a millionaire, you can snag a few bucks here and there. The cool part? Branded Surveys lets you cash out via PayPal or direct deposit, making it rain real dollars. Consistently share your thoughts, rack up those points, and voila! You'll hit branded elite status, unlocking bonus points and rewards. Be cautious though, we've shifted through the scam so that you don't have to. Your privacy matters. Never spill info to an unfamiliar brand. Next on our radar, cashback and rewards. Saving bucks on your shopping escapades? Apps like Dollar Sprout Rewards make it a breeze, snagging $10 to $20 monthly. This free browser extension not only gets cashback at spots like Overstock, Walgreens, and Walmart, but also digs up promo codes for extra checkout savings. Now, get ready for something out of the ordinary. Selling your unused internet connection. Yep, you heard it right. Honeygain, the game changer, buys bits of your idle data to power content delivery services for big shot Fortune 500 companies. Share about 5 gigabytes per day across 2 devices. And guess what? You could pocket an easy $45 monthly. Plus, new users get a sweet $5 gift on registration. Check it out. You might be sitting on some untapped bandwidth gold. Did you know your phone is a treasure trove of data? Tapestry lets you cash in on your location data, earning up to $25 a month. They team up with big brands to analyze consumer behavior without compromising your privacy. Already sharing your data with apps? Now you can make money from it. Bonus tip: Tapestry's referral program dishes out monthly cash for each friend you bring on board. Ever considered managing Facebook ads for local businesses? Small biz owners often miss the memo on the power of Facebook ads. Learn to communicate their value, and you could be earning $1,000 to $2,000 per month per client. reach out to local businesses, or take an online course to master the art of Facebook ads. Calling all multitaskers. Virtual assistants do it all. Graphic design, blog management, email marketing, you name it. A testimony we got makes $35 an hour as a virtual assistant, offering copywriting and email management. Whether you go solo or join a virtual assistant company, there's money to be made. If you want to create a stable job for your household, you can check Indeed for more job posts that better fit your skill set. Turn your keen ears into cash. Transcriptionists listen to audio files and transform them into written content. Pay varies, but if you're into transcription, a free 7-day course can spill the beans on how to kickstart your journey. GoTranscript is a great site to start for this new gig. Low effort, less draining, and high earning. Here's a savvy move: bank hopping. Some banks offer hefty deposit bonuses if you open an account and park your cash for a set period. Citibank, for instance, is tossing up to $2,000 in bonuses for a new Citigold account. If you've got some cash lying around, this is an easy way to score some free money. Cash in, cash out, simple as that. Get $200 in your pocket as a fresh face at Chase. Simply open a Chase Total checking account and make direct deposits, adding up to $500 or more within 90 days of enrolling with a coupon. Easy money just for you. Guide entrepreneurs in mastering Asana. Numerous businesses, both small and large, grapple with the challenge of organizing and overseeing projects and teams. This is where project management tools like Asana come into play. As an Asana consultant, your play involves assisting business owners in setting up teams, streamlining projects, and providing training on Asana's best practices. After your first year of consulting, you can aim for Asana Certified Pro status, which includes comprehensive training. Plus, being featured on Asana Certified Pro's page makes it easier for local clients to connect with and hire you. This online money-making method involves sourcing products from manufacturers and selling them through your online store. With no need to manage inventory or handle orders directly, it's an efficient way to operate. Shopify, a prominent e-commerce platform, offers a complimentary 45-minute workshop to guide you through the process of starting and launching your drop shipping business. So there you have it, a guide to a straightforward way of making money online without the hard sell. If you dig this tutorial, toss a like and spill your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep it simple, fellow moneymakers. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Until next time, keep hustling.